Who helps support you with your children?
Yeah, just their dad, kind of,
Mhm.
just through child support. It's like $240 a month.
All right, where are your parents?
My mom lives in Poteet, and I don't have my dad in my life.
All right, so do you have any other support system?
No.
All right, why were you speeding?
I didn't realize I was speeding. I was just going a few miles over. And
Well, they're saying a high rate of speed in the police report, so I personally don't.
8 and a 20.
And what's with this cocaine business?
Yes.
All right, court is calling 2023 CR 9298, State of Texas versus Cecilia Ashley Cortez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense?
Jesse Sepulveda for Cecilia Cortez.
And are you Ms. Cortez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. All right, there's an application in this case, correct?
Yes,
Yeah.
there is, Your Honor, for deferred.
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, did you all fill out an application?
I don't think she's filled out the personal information, but we did fill out an application, the one page.
All right, for some reason, counsel, I don't have the application, but after we finish, if you could fill out another one for me.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. Did you sign and understand the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication with your attorney? I'm going to show you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? You're going to need to speak up so the court report can be.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Got to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams? That's a third-degree felony.
Yes.
Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, I do.
Ms. Cortez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Satisfied? All right, you need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a $1,500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication, and there's to be restitution to the Bexar County Sheriff's Office for drug testing. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense?
Yes. Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
All right, and I see there's not a number that's mentioned for the amount of the BCSO restitution. Counsel, if there is a restitution amount determined by probation and you think that amount is inappropriate, you can always come back.
Thank you.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the agreement. State is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 100 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit number 1 with all of its attachments.
Any objection?
No objection.
All right, state, you may continue to confer.
Thank you, Judge.
showing you what's entitled Waiving Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and review the same. Right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, only that you follow the recommendation. Also, I believe my client is financially challenged. She's got 4 children. Three.
Yes.
And she's a single parent, so she has to support them. I believe she just recently got a new job too. Is that right?
Yes.
How much are you making?
It's 12 an hour with tip share.
All right, so here's the thing.
Sorry,
Court reporter cannot hear you.
I'm so sorry.
If you continue to whisper,
I'm so
wait,
sorry.
stop. If you continue to whisper, she's not going to be able to take down what's being said. And if she doesn't take down what's being said, it might as well did not happen in court. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So make her job easier by speaking up so she can hear you. All
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
So you were asking her about employment.
Yes. Please repeat what you said about how much you make.
It's 12 an hour plus tip share.
Are you working 40 hours a week?
It's 30.
30 hours. You have 3 children you support?
Yes.
Judge, we're just asking if you consider probating or all or part of the fine.
Okay.
That's all I have, Judge.
So how old are your children
9, 11, and 14.
and where are they now?
They're at home. The 14-year-old is watching the 2 younger ones
Okay.
because it's school break. It's winter break.
Who helps support you with your children?
Pretty much their dad, kind of,
Mhm.
just through child support. It's like $240 a month.
All right. Where are your parents?
My mom lives in Boutique and I don't have my dad in my life.
All right. So do you have any other support system?
No.
All right. Where's the rest of your family?
I have family in Kansas and family in Missouri. Other than that, my aunt lives in California. So,
All right. Why were you speeding?
I didn't realize I was speeding. I was just going a few miles over in
Well, they're saying a high rate of speed in the police report. So I personally don't,
8 and a 20.
28 and a 20.
Yes.
Oh,
I was about to get on the highway.
All right. And what's with this cocaine business?
It was in the car. I'm not sure. I just
Okay. See, now your
I had
voice is
just
trailing
bought
off.
the car. I'm sorry.
So you're saying you bought a car and there's cocaine in it and nobody says anything? Is this Miami Vice? Hmm?
I didn't realize it was there.
Yeah, but where they found it, what do you mean you don't realize it's there?
It was on the floor. That's it.
Well, you're driving.
Yes.
They said, while I was speaking to you, I observed a 3-inch by 3-inch baggie that is commonly used to carry illegal narcotics in plain view. I observed the 3-inch by 3-inch baggie that is commonly used to carry illegal narcotics on the front driver's side floorboard, right next to your right foot.
Had made a bad decision.
All right, so why don't you start by being honest with me?
Sorry. I'm just
If you're drug tested today and know you're going to get drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
not sure.
What do you mean you're not sure? What could it possibly be?
I'm not sure. I'm sorry. I'm like panicking because I'm sick and I don't feel well. I'm not sure.
I mean, well, what have you used in the past?
I had smoked weed previously.
All right, and what else?
I had used cocaine.
All right, so weed and cocaine. Weed, cocaine, and a 9-year-old, 11-year-old, 14-year-old don't go together.
I'm sorry.
Well, no, I mean, you need to apologize to your children, let them know you're going to do better, because what this means, if you're using marijuana and cocaine, one, I don't know where you're getting your cocaine from, but I know marijuana Usually people will, not from my personal experience, but from what I've seen in television and from having previous clients as a defense attorney, usually with marijuana, people don't mind giving you that for free. It's puff, puff, pass. And maybe next time you bring some marijuana. But cocaine, usually it's free the first time, then after that, people charge. So you've been paying for cocaine instead of doing what you need to do with your children. That's a problem.
Yes, ma'am.
And there's a problem with you coming to me and being dishonest. So we're going to pretend like we're just starting our conversation now. When you're drug tested today, what are you going to be positive for?
Probably cocaine.
All right. When's the last time you used cocaine?
Over the weekend.
All right. So we cannot have that.
Okay.
So I'm going to tell you right now, what's going to end up happening right now is Child Protective Services is going to be called
Okay.
so that they can get some help for you.
Okay.
All right.
That's fine.
Not me trying to take your children away from ever, but it's me trying to make sure that your children are taken care of.
That's fine.
And so she's going to remain in court till somebody comes over to talk with her and get her in some services through Child Protective Services and check on the children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
All right. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to sentence you to 5 years deferred adjudication. There's a $1,500 fine. That's going to be probated. There's going to be restitution, if any, for drug testing to BCSO. I'm going to want field visits one time per month until further notice. And probation, that's just going to be until Child Protective Services gets involved because somebody needs to look in on the children. This is not a civil court, so I can't take your children away from you or do anything of that nature. CPS will have to do their investigation. There's going to be 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once she completes parenting classes, the community service hours will be deemed to be satisfied. I'm going to want a TAP evaluation. Follow TAP recommendations. If TAP recommends inpatient treatment, though, we're going to start with intensive outpatient treatment. If they recommend outpatient treatment, we're still going to start with intensive outpatient treatment. And counsel, I'm assuming this is her only case.
She had a prior, Your Honor, about maybe 4 years ago.
All right, what was that prior?
I believe it was a possession of her gun, from what I recall.
All right, we'll do a referral to felony drug court. There's to be regular random UAs. We're going to do sober meetings. Yes.
Would you consider holding the felony court, the drug court in abeyance and see how she does?
No.
I know she's working. I know she's got these.
Oh, they will work around. They will work around that.
Okay.
Okay. So sober meetings, 90 meetings in 90 days. And let me just tell you, the reason why I'm not going to do that is because you've had a prior drug case, right? And then you're driving with cocaine in the vehicle. You're being dishonest with me. And when people are in their addictions, they're being dishonest. So you're not even at the place yet where you're on the road to your sobriety. You're still in the throes of your addiction. And I know, and you know, that even though I'm gonna lecture you and tell you not to do it, when you leave this courtroom, you get on probation, you're probably gonna end up using. All right? Don't want that to happen because the last time you use could be the last time you use. I know you don't want the 14-year-old crying because his mom is in the house, got some bad drugs and passed out and he's trying to do CPR. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So there's going to be sober support meetings, 90 meetings in 90 days. Probation. Is there any proof of employment within 30 days? There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. I'm serious about the last time you use, maybe the last time you use, and you don't want your children trying to figure out why mom isn't home yet, or you end up overdosing and your child has to try to do CPR for you in the house. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so just have a seat. We're going to see if we can get somebody from Child Protective Services to offer her services.
You do want another application for deferred?
Yes, if you could. State,
Allie Jackson for the state.
defense,
Bridget Gospel for defense.
and are you Mr. Garza?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Garza, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes.
Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we are waiving the enhancement and we are proceeding on the lesser included of assault bodily injury.
Any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
All right. Did you understand your the state has agreed to proceed on the lesser included offense of assault bodily injury, married or cohabitation? That's a Class A misdemeanor. The range of punishment is up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow that plea. If for any reason the court does not follow that plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
All right. Are you following along?
Yes.
All right. Did you understand by entering into this agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Right down on the
All
record.
right, you need to say yes or no.
Yes.
All right. And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Garza, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, married cohabitation. They're recommending deferred adjudication. There's to be the BIPP course and an affirmative finding of family violence. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes.
Did you understand that to be your agreement?
Yes.
Defense,
Yes, Your Honor.
state,
Yes, Your Honor.
showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the agreement. State is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation, no harmful or injurious contact with Abigail Gallardo. Did you understand that those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offense of assault, bodily injury, married cohabitation, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
State, any evidence?
State offers State's Exhibit 1 with all attachments. No objections, Your Honor.
All right, have you had a chance to speak with the complainant?
Yes, Your Honor. Her primary concern at this point is for any sort of substance abuse treatment, and she says they have a good co-parenting relationship right now.
All right, you may continue to
Thank you very
confirm.
much.
Going to show you what's entitled waiving consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Everybody silent?
Did you understand
Yeah, he is.
that you have a right to a jury trial? Do you understand that?
Yes,
Again, do you understand you have a right to remain silent?
yes,
Again, do you understand that you have a right to have your attorney or yourself cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call?
yes,
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
yes,
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. Evidence to find you guilty. However, the court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we're asking the court to follow the recommendation of the ADA. He does have a stable and place to live. And it's my understanding that he has an electrical license that will expire next year, so he does plan to work as an electrician.
So you said he has a stable place to live. Is this with her or someone else?
With someone else.
Okay. And how old are your children?
he's one.
1. All right. Do you have someone who can act as an, be the person for visitation?
Got myself,
No, I mean, is there a grandmother involved, your
I
mom?
got my mom, my sister.
All right. Because at this point in time, until he has some family violence courses under his belt, I'm not going to do the no harm for injurious contact, because I've read things in the police report that are slightly concerning, but we will see where we are. So is alcohol the only issue with you, or are there anything else going on?
That's the only thing.
All right, 2 years deferred adjudication, the BIPP course, affirmative finding of family violence, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, 80 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once he completes parenting classes, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. There's to be no contact with Abigail Gallardo. Field visits 1 time per month for 2 months. And thereafter, it's at probation's discretion. There's to be regular UAs. Make sure there's testing for alcohol. TAP evaluation out of custody. And follow the TAP recommendations. If TAP recommends intensive or inpatient treatment, we're going to start with regular outpatient treatment. Yes. And 90 sober meetings in 90 days. Probation, is there anything else he needs?
No, Judge.
All right, Mr. Garza, is there anything else you need from the court? I'm sorry?
No.
All right, I'm going to tell you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes,
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
yes,
All right, good luck to you. You're gonna have to start doing better, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Judge, I have a question.
Yes.
At what point, hold on, Joshua. At what point will the court entertain the no contact to be switched from no contact to no HOI? Because the victim is okay with a no HOI.
All right, once he's had at least 4 classes for the BIP, the court will consider.
Okay.
But I need that, and I need for you not to have tested positive for alcohol or any of the drugs in that 4 months' time. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
thank you.
All right, and LaShawn, somebody's supposed to be coming down to speak to Miss.
He walked into court facing serious charges, but the deal came with strict conditions: deferred adjudication, no contact, no alcohol, no mistakes. 1 violation and freedom disappears. The judge made it clear: change your life now or face jail later. Parenting classes, treatment, testing, and supervision, all standing between him and a conviction. So here's the question. If the court gave you one last chance, would you take it seriously? Like, share, and follow for real courtroom stories.
Parties announced for the record for the state
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
defense.
I would love to go back some.
Are you Miss Rathburn?
Yes, ma'am.
Going to show you what's entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Wendy Gay Rathburn who was placed on community supervision and cause number 2021 CR 7768 for the offense of harassment of a public servant on March 20th, 2023 for a term of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 4 in Clark County, Nevada. The defendant, Wendy Gay Rathburn, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of June and July 2023 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
In Your Honor, we waive the other violations alleged in the motion.
Any objections?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 2 years in prison and up to a $1,500 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. We're asking that you grant the motion, revoke the defendant's supervision, and sentence her to 2 years in the prison.
Is that the agreement?
That's our understanding agreement, Your Honor.
All right, are you asking the court to follow that agreement? You need to say
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court will follow your agreement. The court is finding violation of condition number 4 true. Court will grant the motion, sentence you to 2 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine, time and money to run concurrent, and there'll be credit for any time served. Was there any inpatient treatment for mental health with her or no?
You're an inpatient. Yes, I've been an inpatient twice.
During this
Yes,
probation?
yes.
No? All right. They're
That's why I
telling-
missed court.
All right, so you were not in inpatient treatment.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. You're gonna have to make some changes. I know there are some mental health issues and other issues that are going on with you, but nobody can help you if you don't show up to things. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you're released from prison, make sure that you get in touch with someone from the Center for Healthcare Services, either here in San Antonio or wherever state you decide to reside, all right? Start with the NIMAG number. It should be listed on the green sheet.
It should be under
Oh, it should be on a green sheet of paper, maybe.
Green sheet.
a green sheet. Do you know?
You have the green sheet.
Already.
Yeah.
That might be yours.
Yeah, it might be mine. No, this is yours.
Okay. It should have a case number. Do you have anything with a case number on it?
Maybe on that one.
Okay.
Oh, I see.
Okay. All right, your case hasn't been indicted either.
Okay.
So what will end up happening is you'll need to get in touch with your attorney. You're gonna receive a card in the email at the address that's on file. She'll give you a change of address form if you need to change your address. And if there's an issue with the bondsman, you can always have the bondsman call and we'll let them know that you were here.
Okay.
All right, so just wait for her to come back. She'll be back shortly with that.
It might be the current address. I just want to make sure because on my driver's license, it's my previous address.
Mhm.
But I've been, I just want to make sure I don't want to not get it.
Okay. All right, who's your attorney?
William Simmons,
Okay,
but yeah, he hasn't returned any of my calls. I just didn't know what was
all
gonna
right, let me
happen.
see if he's in the building.
Okay, thank you.
We have Joel Garcia. His SID, oh, whenever you're ready, I'm sorry. His SID is 838-517. Adriana, catch your breath. You jump right. Yeah.
That's right.
Sure, no problem. Okay. All right, great. Don't run.
Okay.
You don't want to break a leg.
Okay. Okay.
All right, and
And,
he hasn't had any contact with his attorney.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, oh, yeah, Toddless. I called his, yes, I've called and been in contact with his secretary, but not him. But she says he's always reported, so, I just, okay. Okay, yeah. Joel Garcia. Oh, okay.
Deadline date? So is he asking for a jury trial?
He is, Your Honor. I prefer with Judge Wolf. I've spoken with my client. He did arrive late, but we did check in with the deputies.
Who is, wait, you conferred with who? Oh, Jason Wolf?
Gary.
Okay, because I was like, who's Wolf? All right. Are you asking for a jury trial? All right, so today is your plea deadline date. The court will not accept any plea bargain agreements in this case without good cause after today. Otherwise, you have to plea open to the court. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. Do you understand or no?
Yes, ma'am.
All
I
right.
think he's just a little bit nervous, Your Honor, but I did explain to him that if there's any plea bargain after today, that there is no agreement that the court is bound by, it would be completely up to you as to punish. So
All
I did
right.
explain it to him in very clear terms and he understands.
All right, state, are all of these cases related out of the all same occurrence? Because it appears maybe because the numbers are 878889.
I'd have to check. Let me check real quick, Judge.
I can confirm that they are, Your Honor.
They are?
They are.
Oh, defense counsel says they're all out of the same occurrence. So I'm assuming, or maybe I know I should not assume, are these cases going to be tried together?
The state can try them together, Your Honor. It's up to this, of course, the defense, whether they would object or not.
All
I
right,
don't think we'd have an objection.
okay,
Oh, I'm sorry. The defendant would have an objection.
Oh.
Trying them together.
all right. All right, so if you can talk to him about the consequences of trying cases together or not. How long do y'all expect this trial to last?
If I recall, Your Honor, it'd probably be not including jury selections at 2 days.
All right,
I think that's accurate, Your Honor. There's about 2 or 3 officers and 2 or 3 EOTs.
all right. So I always consider both sides when setting jury trials, but the state has a lot of murders that are coming up for jury trial. So state, would you like this set in January or February or March?
I think probably February would be better. I think we have a full docket on January 8th or 9th. And I think February, we do have a murder set, but then we do have some leeway there.
All right. Do you want it February, the week of February 12th? I don't know if that's your week or not.
That'd be fine, Judge.
All right. So we're going to set you on the day before Valentine's. So I'll give you a reset form. You're going to come back on February 13th. And that'll be at 9 a.m.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. And once you sign the reset form, you will be excused.
Today was the plea deadline. No deal, no second chances. The judge made it clear, after today, any plea would be wide open and the court wouldn't be bound by it. Multiple cases, one incident, and now a jury trial is set. 2 days. Officers on the stand, everything on the line. February 13th, the day before Valentine's. Freedom versus conviction. So here's the question. Would you risk trial or take a deal while you still could? Like, share, and follow for real courtroom moments.
Kara,
Judge, I received
everyone, please whisper.
I received a plea letter from Teresa CourtTVLive
Okay,
last week.
all right.
I have gone over with my client. There is an offer in the file from the state,
Mhm.
and we'd ask for a little bit of time to consider that and decide what we're gonna do.
All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring you back and you're gonna come back on January 9th. On January 9th, you need to let the court know whether or not you're accepting the plea bargain agreement that's been offered. If you choose not to accept the offer on that date, the court will not consider any plea bargain agreements without good cause. Otherwise, you'll have to plead open to the court. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, is there anything else?
Nothing to say, Your Honor.
Not from his defense.
All right, Norma, Mr. Luis Roberto Ramirez Rodriguez, he's coming back on January 9th for a plea deadline date.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Motion heard, motion to quash, that was denied. So where are we with discovery?
Judge, I do not think that there is anything outstanding that I've caught at this point in time.
Okay,
I pretty much agree, Your Honor. The state's made an offer, my client doesn't like any of them.
all right, when was the offer made?
There
There's
was a-
offer made, a counter offer made.
Okay, all right, Mr. Kennedy, am I pronouncing your last name correctly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Judge.
All right. Do you need time to think about the offer or do you want a jury trial?
Can I think about the offer, please?
All right, Ms. Ferguson, on this case, bring it back for the second week in January for a plea deadline date. And then after that, if you decide not to accept the plea, we'll set you for a jury trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, January 9th would be your plea deadline date. After that date, the court will not accept any plea bargain agreements without good cause. Otherwise, you have to plead open to the court. Do you understand?
Yes, I do, Judge.
All right, thank you. Is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Okay, please open the court meeting. She said I'm good, and she goes, I have to put this out of the box. Okay, thank you, sir.
All right, counsel, do you want to put on the record that you tried to get in touch with the complainant?
Yes, Judge.
We're going to go on the record in 2023 CR 2570A, State of Texas versus Manuel Mendoza. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense?
Anthony Cantrell for Mr. Mendoza.
All right, the court called this case for trial today. The plea deadline has expired and the state has decided to tender a motion for dismissal. State?
Judge, so we have attempted to reach out to the complainant using the phone numbers that were in the police report. When those didn't work, we attempted to run another search to get other contact information. When we ran that search, it was the same numbers, and so we were unable to do that.
All right, the court will sign the motion to dismiss. We can go off the record. Mr. Mendoza, the only thing I know about your case is what you're charged with. The only way I would learn more about this case is if it were in trial or someone asked me to read a police report. You know what your actions were that day. I do not. But this is what I do know. Receiving this dismissal is no cause for celebration on your part. Whatever brought you here, you had better start doing things differently. You understand?
None of them involved me.
Oh, we'll put it on the record.
Just letting you know, Judge.
Okay.
Your Honor, may I
address the court.
Yes, we're gonna go on the record, but you can address the court. Okay. All right, the court is calling 2022 CR 10144, State of Texas versus Martin Rios. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense?
Robert Featherston and Adam Pauls.
Are you Mr. Rios? All right, state, you filed a motion to dismiss. Why are you asking for dismissal?
Judge, so we were having difficulty initially contacting the complainant. About a month and a half ago, we were able to contact him, and which time he did give us new contact information to reach him. We've attempted several times to use all the information that we've had in order to reach out to him, and so far he has not returned any of our calls, text messages, voicemails, anything.
Okay. All right, defense?
Your Honor, if it pleases the court, we have filed a motion for speedy trial or in the alternative motion to dismiss for violation of a Sixth Amendment right to speedy trial. We'd like the court to hear that motion. I think the court should also be aware that the complainant in this case is on probation.
Okay. All right, and that cause number, the court is dismissing the case. And what I can tell you, Mr. Featherston, I don't know if it's true or not, but usually in this court, when cases are dismissed, they are dismissed. The state has no intention. State, do you have any intention of bringing this case back?
At this time, no, Judge, especially based off of the fact that the witness has had contact and then not or refused to reach out to us again. We have called him at this number. This is a number that he did answer previously. It's just now he's ignoring us.
All right, what I can tell you, defense, with regards to your motions in that case, the court has filed the dismissal.
Your Honor, if it pleases the court, I believe the record should reflect that the court signed the dismissal prior to hearing my argument about raising our Sixth Amendment right to a speedy trial. We are not waiving that right to a speedy trial. If the case does raise its head again, we fully